shouting the name of Gary.
Tenorio. To Zappa. Far from the basket. Goodmar comes out to set the pick. A minute remaining. They take it to Gary for three.
Yeah! That's what we've been waiting for! You know, and what I love about it is the support of the crowd dito kay Gary David when he got that basketball. Pero akala mo, panlamang yung tiro ni Gary David. Hindi. Paglaki lang ng lamang, but everybody here, you know, has been they're chanting his name right now, and that's what this team needs.
Well, the fellow must feel really great, si Gary David. He's been struggling, he knows it. He's hit 2 baskets here in the fourth para sa Gilas Pilipinas. Super Mar. It's Junmar, but Junmar gets on the stat sheet as well. With a great block. Some former Gilas players also in the arena, guys like Chris Lutz, Greg Slaughter, enjoying the action. Kanamaru gets free. Pasok yan. And that's something that's hardly happened. Research sa laro nito. Kita natin automatic pag nakalibre.
Yeah. Sino kaya sinisigaw na mga ito?
Kaya naman yung pick. They're looking for Gary David. I don't think they're gonna force it.
Backdoor play. Nice pass by David.
Junmar gets blocked from behind. 15 seconds remaining. Takeuchi now there. Tenorio chases him down. Slips it away and Takeuchi cannot help but smile.
You have to applaud the effort. With this big lead, LA Tenorio refusing to give a layup to Japan. You know, and this is, you know, playing until the final buzzer.
Nausap ko si Yoyo Martinez, one of our PBA greats. And he was saying earlier, you gotta play hard till the last second. That's what Tenorio was trying to do. Sa play na yun, Kanamaru's jumper, wala yan. Takeuchi will go up for the lay-in, but that doesn't really matter with 3.3 remaining. Time has expired, and Gilas gets the victory.